That is what we get for getting. They are in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Trying to keep it where it'll stay on there, but also still give them air. But I guess it doesn't matter because they'll still get air, whatever, right? Does that matter?
I mean, this is just how I was told to do it.
Okay.
I hope.
Much easier.
Look at all the styrofoam.
Oh look, I left a lighter out here.
I'll just set them like this. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3. Stuff like that.
Do you want it this way?
Go ahead and set it down.
Well, don't do that.
Sorry.
No, don't do that.
Ready?
Only a few came out.
Okay, just a few.
I know, but it's not on here right.
Ready?
Not yet. Hang on. You got the whole board.
There you go. There's that leg day. Great job, guys.
Is that one good fit, you think?
I think so. It looks
Should I take off this styrofoam?
I think it'll fit. I mean, first place. That would have made sense.
Don't worry about that side.
See if I can pick up the whole board again. How did that even happen?
Fuck. I'm gonna lose this.
Got it?
That's what I think.
Right there? I thought for a minute I was
It's
about
like
to
a
drop the
giant-
whole thing.
Giant oh shit moment. Oh my god. I expected us all to get swarmed. Sad little bees.
I need to move these over a little bit so I can go down to the floor. These hook.
Just remember to move it to the bottom.
It's definitely on the top of my mind.
So we're working on moving these hives. These are full of live bees. We've been here at this location for 2 or 3 years now, so just getting them, moving them a little closer to home, and it'll be easier to keep them. When moving when moving a box of live bees like this, you always want to remember to move them from the bottom. Because these top, and actually the bottom box and the top box, neither of these are held on by anything other than their propolis. And sometimes that can be hard as concrete and nearly impossible to break, but sometimes it just slides off incredibly easily. So you always want to make sure that no matter how you're moving them, you move them from the bottom. We've sealed off the entrances. You seal them with the paper, I seal them with paper towels and duct tape. Seal off the entrance so they can't come or go. And just make sure they're strapped down really well, and you should be able to move them. And just be prepared for a lot of mad bees when you're done. But I mean, for the first time ever moving a hive like this, you know, I don't think it went that badly. They're not very happy.
Yeah. Do you have to leave them in there like overnight
No.
when you get them there?
No, once we get there, I'll get their area set up, And as soon as they're where they're going to be, I'll take off the entrances so they can come out and immediately start doing their thing.
Cool.
When you take them to a new home, is there anything they have to do to establish? Do they go out and check out territory or any of that business?
I imagine that they would be pretty confused. I mean, it is, you do confuse them if you move frames around to different spots. You're supposed to put them exactly where they were before. So I imagine, having been here, they kind of know the land and everything. So I imagine there will probably be some confusion, but they'll figure it out pretty quick.
Yeah, it's almost like inside the hive, that's their home.
Yeah.
They know what that is. So.
Yeah. It's probably pretty confusing if someone comes into your house and moves your furniture everywhere. Should I move this box so you can get back there, or what do you think?
Yeah, let me move this box. Okay. This one's going on the left end or the right end?
Let's just put it on the left first. Are you okay? When you're ready.
Go ahead and scooch. I have a good Okay. Don't go yet. Stop.
Good. Got it? Now we'll just leave those be for right now while we grab the others.
Leave those be.
Yeah.
This looks good over here.
Oh.